So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So I just wanted to make this video about renting a car for Uber or for Lyft. Now that things are starting to open back up again, I did want to just touch base. And you know, it is very common for drivers for both Uber and for Lyft, and this also does apply for delivery drivers as well, drivers to use their own car for Uber and Lyft. However, that can be, you know, a very costly thing. I always use my car. Fortunately, I have this car paid off, and fun fact, I actually started driving for Uber and Lyft to pay off, to pay off my car. So I took all my earnings and basically, you know, paid off my car, and I did that in about a couple of months. Luckily, my car was only, you know, I only had a $5,000 loan on the car, so I was able to pay it off. That's great. I have a very low, you know, my car's only worth $5 grand, so I'm fine putting a ton of miles on it. But if you have a brand new car, you probably want to rent a car rather than putting miles on a brand new car, because your car's going to depreciate in value a lot. I don't know if some of you guys know about depreciating assets, but you probably don't want to be putting on 50,000 miles on a brand new car, because your car's going to depreciate in half. So a really good company that there are some really good options that I did want to go over with you guys for renting a car. The first two options, obviously Lyft has a car rental program and Uber has a car rental program as well. I know Uber does go through Fare in Enterprise. I'll just sync up my phone so I can just show you guys. So when you sign up for Uber, if you do want to rent a vehicle, so this is actually on the Uber website. This is just uber.com/car rentals. I basically just went to Google, typed in Uber car rental, this vehicle marketplace. So these are the different options that they have. Let's see, they have Hertz, Get Around, Avis, Zipcar. I actually, by the way guys, I did want to talk about, so you can use those ones. Another really good option to look at is Hire Car. If you use my link down below for Hire Car, they'll actually waive the background check fee, which is usually 30 bucks. So if you use my link down below, we have a little affiliate set up with them. Your background check will be completely free, and you can just, you know, start renting a car. But Hire Car, I recommend Hire Car. I mean, the other ones are, you know, pretty good, but this one, these cars are specifically for Uber and Lyft. And now they also expanded to do delivery driving as well. So Uber Eats and all that stuff. And it's really easy. I've actually used Hire Car before to rent cars with some of my clients. And you actually get your inspection as soon as you, I believe as soon as you pick up the car, your inspection stuff. So you get all your documents. You don't need, once you get a car, you don't need to go to Uber and Lyft's inspection site, which is really nice. You just pick up the car and you can start driving. And look at this, 35, you actually rent it by the day. So you don't need to commit to, you know, if you just want to try it out for a week and, you know, if you want to spend 29 bucks a day. I think there are some cheaper ones too, but they're long-term rentals. Oh, this is if you do want to rent out a car. Are you a rental company or dealership? Yeah, so 4 out of 2 out of 5 stars. That's pretty good. They're in LA, Chicago, New York, DC, Atlanta, Phoenix. Driver guide, we'll just click on there. The the comprehensive guide. I thought it looked like Harry Campbell's thumbnails. Maybe they copied each other. There are 1 million people working as an Uber driver, United States. Shipt, Postmates, DoorDash, Amazon Flex, Instacart. Why is working for Uber or any of those other companies a great way to earn extra income? Blah, blah, blah. Hire Car is a car sharing marketplace that helps local car owners in all 50 states. Okay, so they actually are in all 50 states. Rent their personal vehicles to Uber and Lyft drivers. This way, car owners earn passive income from renting a car they don't use much to rideshare drivers. At the same time, a driver who wants to work for one of the various rideshare companies can affordably rent a car in order to earn extra income. It's a win-win. Yeah, again, if you do want to sign up, highly recommend using my link just so you get that free background check, and then you can just pick up your car. I did want to actually scope out some of their options just because, you know, I think it would be a fair assessment to... Oh, there's an app. Okay, you need to download the app. Get started. I do know that they have some options that are really cheap. Some of them are more expensive. Obviously, those cars that they do use, it will say whether or not they are good for Uber and Lyft. Just keep in mind they need to have 4 doors. For Uber Eats and stuff, it only needs to have 2 doors, and just basically your car just needs to run. For Uber and Lyft, they do need to have, you know, bigger requirements. But yeah, that's the link. That's the review for Hire Car. That's the video on rental car options. Again, you can use Uber and Lyft's rental cars, but for Hire Car, I think there's more control, and they are independent of Uber and Lyft. Uber and Lyft don't own Hire Car. It's just like a third-party site, so they're really good. And yeah, thank you for watching today's video. Let me know if you have any comments or questions, and I'll be happy to go over them all with you. That's why I'm here to help. And yeah, have a great day, guys. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.